Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the new waxing kit, Wax Warmer, Post-Wax Treatment Spray, Depilatory Wax, Hot Hard Scented Wax Warmers Electric Kit for Men, Women, Brazilian Eyebrow Home Body Waxing Kits, Prime. The sticks, and other extra stuff does not make up for the problem, so would not buy this again. Love everything about this. Love that it comes with the before and after spray, the wax, and the wooden sticks. Everything was packed in a box very carefully, and there is everything you need for waxing. The kit is big, comes with 4 packs of wax, wax oil, lots of wooden sticks, 2 sizes, wax warmer, pre-wax, and after-wax sprays. Instructions. In order to get the best results it takes a really long time. For the price it's great though. Overall, the warmer is pretty decent, but buy separate beads, and possibly some sort of warmer cleaning agent. Everything you need, directions, instructions, sticks, before and after care is all included. It came with all the parts, the wax heater, sticks, pre and after wax spray, as well as the beads. The wax seems good quality, and as long as your hair is long enough, it pulls it right out. She takes care of waxing now fast and easy at home, and the quality of the results work are much like the salon. It comes with a lot on wax beads, and the warmer is quick, and has an automatic shut-off. This product was so much easier. Wax dries quick, so waxing doesn't take much time at all. So here comes all the stuff, and no need to worry about anything you've missed. Of course, you need to be careful, and not get burned, but that goes without saying. Honestly love the wax machine, but only negative is the wax dries up really quickly. It peels in tiny pieces instead of the whole thing together. Makes it really hard to wax. Yeah, this is a great product, and it works well. It gets at least 97,100 of hair off. Keep in mind that the longer the hair the better the grip, so if you have stubbles let it grow some for better results. The wax warmer, 4 hard wax bean bags, 2 different size sticks, a pre-waxing spray, and an after wax spray. Had to place wax in same spot 5 times in a row before all hair was gone. No issues. The heater turns on and off automatically to keep the temp that you set. It dries out too fast, and then a thin layer of wax is very difficult to tear off. It also helps to remove small thin pieces of wax, which you couldn't tear off. The warmer worked quickly, and kept the wax at a stable temperature, and the pre- and post-treatment products included worked out very well. Are you kidding me? Why would you go anywhere else to purchase this type of product? You get all of these items for a super affordable price. Of course, this is what it is a wax melter. It does its job. Barely grabs hairs, and cracks into many pieces before you can even pull the wax off. This machine keeps the wax warm throughout the application, and comes with wooden spatulas, and special oils, pre-waxing, and after-waxing. This type of wax would not take out a piece of hair, and breaks into small pieces. The wax temperature takes a couple times to get correct, but each person's comfort is different. The wax warmer itself is great, but don't spend extra bucks for the wax beans. The wax they give you is enough to do small areas if you're not a overly hairy person. This is amazing, and it's a great deal. All the stuff that comes in one box melted the wax down really well, and it would have been a great buy had the wax actually worked. This waxing kit comes with everything you might need, plenty of beads, and wooden sticks. Also make sure it's not too thick, or too thin, and to leave a lip of wax to pull it up. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.